What's going on, guys? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our new accent lights for your Lumastep M2 powered running boards or your standard powered running boards. Let's get into it.
Introducing our new powered running board LED accent lights that are compatible with both the Boost Auto powered running board and Lumastep M2. This new LED accent light comes on whenever you open your door to illuminate the top of your deployed running board. Once you close the door and the boards retract, the lights will turn off. Improving safety and visibility, this easy-to-install upgrade is the perfect addition to your Boost Auto powered running boards. If your vehicle does not already have a Boost Auto powered running board or Lumastep M2, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment, availability, and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it. Going over the kit here, we have a harness, 2 accent lights, and 2 clips per each side of the vehicle. For this procedure, we're going to want to have the boards deployed. Open up your door, step on the boards, then close the door. Now that the boards are in place, we can continue. Locate the gray connector coming off of your motor bracket. Use a pick or a pry tool to push down on the tab and unplug it. Now, take your accent light harness and plug it into one end of the pre-existing board harness. Then take the other end and plug it into the gray connector coming from the motor bracket. If you have a Lumastep M2 board as well as a puddle light harness, daisy chain the 2 harnesses together between the 2 ends of the motor harness. Starting from the motor bracket, take the first leg of the accent light harness and plug it into one of the lights provided in the kit. Next, find a suitable spot to mount your light and use a cleaner to make sure the mounting location is clean. Once the location is thoroughly cleaned, peel the tape off the back of your light and then we will stick it in place. With our light now stuck on, we can find a spot to mount the clip that will hold our harness in place. After you've found it, wipe down the surface with a cleaner. Peel the tape off of the back of the clip and firmly stick it in place. Then run the harness through and secure it into the clip. Make sure the clip is fully engaged. Now we will take the long end of our accent light harness and run it over to the rear bracket. Plug in the second accent light. With it plugged in, we're going to find another spot to mount this light. Once we do, we're going to clean it off to make sure the tape sticks well and then tape it up. After that, find a spot to mount the harness clip to and then wipe it off. Peel the tape off of your clip and stick it down. Then we can run the harness through the clip and push it down to lock it in place. Now repeat this process on the other side of the vehicle. Now let's see how it works. When the door is open, the lights turn on to illuminate the top of the board. Once the door is closed and the board is retracted, the lights turn off.
And that's a wrap. We just finished installing new accent lights on your truck. If you want to check out some other cool products we have for your vehicle, head on over to boostauto.com. And for that, I'll see you in the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you in the next one.